Imagine hiring a software developer who never gets tired, never misses deadlines, and never demands a raise. Now imagine that developer isn't a person, it's an AI. Sounds futuristic? Well, that future has already arrived. Today, some AI systems can write code faster, smarter, and even more accurately than many human developers. In this video, we're diving deep into the AI revolution that's reshaping the software world and why it's a lot closer and a lot more powerful than you might think. 1. The rise of AI coding assistants. Over the past few years, AI coding tools have moved from experimental projects to powerful, real-world solutions. Platforms like GitHub Copilot, Amazon Code Whisperer, and Google's AlphaCode are leading the charge. These systems are trained on billions of lines of public code, giving them a massive knowledge base to draw from. Today, with just a few prompts, AI can write full functions from scratch, auto-complete complex algorithms, identify and fix bugs, optimize code for better performance, translate code between programming languages. And they're not just helping beginners, they're accelerating professional developers in companies around the world. 2. How AI beats many human coders. Now you might wonder, how can an AI outperform human developers? First, AI has instant access to a near-infinite database of coding patterns. It doesn't need to remember syntax. It recognizes the best solution statistically in milliseconds. Second, AI is tireless. It doesn't suffer from mental fatigue, distractions, or bad days, meaning it can maintain consistently high performance for hours or even days straight. Third, modern AI isn't just copying code blindly. Systems like AlphaCode can reason through coding challenges, designing novel solutions similar to human creativity, sometimes even better. While a human developer might take hours to research and build a feature, an AI can generate a high-quality draft in minutes. 3. Real-world examples of AI dominating in coding. Let's look at some real-world cases. In 2022, DeepMind's AlphaCode entered competitive programming contests and ranked among the top 54% of human participants without direct human guidance. That's competitive programming, some of the hardest coding tasks out there. GitHub Copilot now assists millions of developers daily. Internal studies have shown that developers who use Copilot can complete tasks up to 55% faster than those coding alone. Major tech companies are now building entire internal teams around AI-assisted development workflows. In some startups, a single engineer plus an AI assistant can outperform traditional teams of 5 to 10 people. The productivity gains are staggering, and they're just getting started. 4. What AI can do and what it can't yet. Despite the hype, it's important to understand AI's current limits. AI excels at repetitive boilerplate coding, generating templates and scaffolding projects, debugging common syntax errors, suggesting optimizations based on best practices. But it still struggles with deep system design and architecture, handling complex, ambiguous business requirements, writing secure, production-grade code without human review, fully understanding the intent behind vague prompts. In other words, AI is like a brilliant but inexperienced junior developer. It can generate a lot of work fast, but without oversight, mistakes can creep in. 5. How developers are evolving with AI. Rather than replacing developers, AI is changing what it means to be a developer. The best coders today aren't the ones who memorize syntax, they're the ones who can write smart prompts to get the best results from AI. Review, edit, and adapt AI-generated code. Focus on high-level architecture, security, and user experience. Manage projects where AI does the heavy lifting. In fact, a new skill set called prompt engineering is emerging, where knowing how to talk to AI becomes just as important as knowing how to code. In the next few years, we'll likely see a split. Developers who master AI tools will become dramatically more productive. Those who don't will fall behind. It's not about being replaced, it's about being enhanced. 6. The future of AI in software development. Looking ahead, the future is crystal clear. AI coding tools will continue to get better at understanding complex project requirements, automating entire workflows, not just writing code, suggesting not just how to build something, but what to build based on business goals. In a few years, coding may no longer mean manually typing every line. It may mean designing systems through conversations, visual prompts, and strategic oversight, with AI doing the heavy construction work. And it's happening faster than most people realize. So does this mean the end of human developers? Absolutely not. But it does mean that the role of the developer is evolving faster than at any time in history. Those who embrace AI will unlock unprecedented creativity, productivity, and opportunity. If you found this video insightful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.